ASC, built to last, designed to clean. ASC is the leading national supplier of industrial and commercial scrubbers and sweepers in Australia. Founded over 30 years ago, ASC has grown into a company fully represented in every state of Australia and backed by full sales, rental, service, spare parts and support. With our branch offices located throughout the country, we cater to all industry markets, large and small. ASC is a national total solutions company and carries one of the most comprehensive ranges of sweepers and scrubbers to suit all Australian industries. ASC is Australia's most recognised name when it comes to long-lasting, durable and low-maintenance floor sweepers and scrubbers. The ASC brand is now used extensively by Australia's leading industrial companies on a daily basis. ASC's strength is understanding and delivering solutions for leading Australian companies in order to meet their stringent OH&S, HACCP and hygiene standards. Over the years, ASC has invested millions of dollars in research and development to deliver Australian companies market-leading products and superior aftermarket support. Whether your organisation is involved in mining, food production, warehousing, manufacturing or raw materials, ASC has the solution for your floor maintenance requirements. ASC's focus is to understand the customer's difficulty in cleaning its indoor and outdoor floor areas, and has developed innovative technologies in conjunction with its international partners to offer the best solutions available on the planet today. Whether you're cleaning a municipality, a large mine site, a shopping centre, a 500 square metre warehouse, a food factory or a university or school, ASC has a solution for every cleaning need. ASC is well known for offering a comprehensive industry-leading range of sweepers and scrubbers for any commercial and industrial cleaning requirement, both indoors and outdoors. ASC's technologies include offering its customers the world's best dust control filtering systems to meet the most stringent global EPA emission standards. Dust is a huge problem on any industrial site, and solutions to meet strict government air quality standards are often hard to meet. Thankfully, ASC has the answer. Whether you're a mine site processing lead, zinc or coal, a building construction company, a local council or a distribution warehouse, ask ASC how to achieve the world's best clean air dust control standards using an ASC-approved sweeper and meet stringently enforced PM dust emission standards. Water is the world's greatest resource. With an ever-increasing population, we need to be mindful of how we use water. ASC has pioneered, with its international partners, environmentally friendly solutions to maximise water efficiency in floor scrubbers. Using an approved ASC eco-friendly water recycling system inbuilt into an ASC floor scrubber, it can reduce water consumption by up to 400% in comparison to a traditional floor scrubber found on the market, while at the same time guaranteeing brilliant results, a significantly lower running cost and a reduced environmental impact. The ASC award-winning Eco Water System. ASC's comprehensive range of machines are all fully configurable to your own individual industry's requirements and allow for market-leading add-on options to meet your own specific requirements. ASC operates a major centralised sweeper and scrubber parts warehouse in Sydney, New South Wales. We also maintain a large quantity of quick-moving parts in our network of nationwide company-owned warehouses, scattered across Victoria, Queensland and Western and Southern Australia. ASC has a multi-million-dollar parts backup system, staffed by internal parts specialists who sort, pack and process part orders daily. All ASC parts are OEM, so you can be assured of quality and longevity. Our ASC spare parts specialists have years of experience dealing in sweeper and scrubber parts and are able to provide expert technical help. In the event you have a major technical issue, we can also refer you to our ASC local and international service division. who offer advice on troubleshooting. ASC offers sweeper and scrubber parts for all machine brands we stock. ASC's service division offers nationally supported warranty maintenance, repair and servicing through its full mobile service and workshop facilities. All of our repair work is completed to a high standard and fully guaranteed. Each new and used ASC cleaning machine is covered by an industry-leading warranty and additionally backed by one of the largest spare parts divisions in Australia. ASC 4-year extended warranty. ASC is Australia's leading industrial and commercial floor cleaning equipment company, backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee. And when investing in an ASC quality industrial sweeper or scrubber machine, you will receive peace of mind with an extended warranty package, EWP, that warrants your machine by 4 years from the date of installation. ASC stands by its machines and wants to ensure that your machine runs smoothly year after year with a guaranteed aftercare package. ASC has the enviable reputation of being flexible to suit our customers' needs, delivering custom solutions that excel in performance, value and longevity. We invite you to look over the extensive information on our website www.sweeper.com.au and our full range of sweepers and scrubbers. We look forward to welcoming you to ASC, and we hope to be able to offer our outstanding reputation of value, flexibility and reliability to your business soon. ASC, built to last, designed to clean.